Tutorial 4, Power Up Your Search with Trigger Words. Now that you know how to use key concepts and synonyms, let's make your searches more impactful by adding trigger words. Part 1, What are trigger words? Trigger words are special terms that tell Google the kind of information you want. They're like little signals that focus your search on the right kind of content. Common trigger words include things like data, statistics or stats, surveys, impact, trends, strategy, growth, challenges, ROI, metrics. Adding trigger words help you move beyond just finding more targeted insights, data, and trends. Part 2, How to choose the right trigger words. Choosing the right trigger words depends on what you're trying to find. If you're looking for hard numbers, use words like data, statistics or stats, or surveys. If you're researching strategy, use words like outlook, impact, or growth. For example, if you're studying changes in the fashion industry, you might add words like trends or market shifts to your search. Part 3, Grouping trigger words for stronger searches. Just like we group synonyms with or, you can also group trigger words. For example, in your search, you could add in parentheses trends or outlook or forecast. This grouping tells Google you're open to any of those terms appearing in your results. It's a simple way to broaden your search smartly without losing focus. In closing, trigger words help fine-tune your search and pull up exactly the kind of content decision makers need. Next, we'll talk about how to control search precisions even more by using phrases and connectors.